Hello everyone, you are watching CollegeTour and the topic for today's video is Online MBA in Blockchain Management. But before we start, make sure that you have subscribed to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. So without any further delay, let's get started. And now when we talk about the MBA in Blockchain Management, then it is a specialized degree program that combines the traditional principles of business administration to that of the usage of blockchain technology. It is specifically designed for students to provide them with the appropriate skills and knowledge that are needed to create and develop blockchain-based solutions for their business. And now moving towards the curriculum of this degree, then it includes various courses such as blockchain fundamentals, cryptocurrencies and digital assets, blockchain security, smart contracts, blockchain business applications. And now let's talk about the career opportunities in this field, and it includes various job roles such as blockchain project manager, blockchain sales manager, blockchain marketing manager, blockchain analyst, blockchain manager, blockchain consultant, and many more such job roles. And last but not the least, the top recruiters in this field includes various big companies such as TCS, KPMG, Accenture, Deloitte, Wipro, and Infosys. And that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, then don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching CollegeTour. Thank you.